Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to subtract fractions. I will be solving two examples in the video. So let's start with the first example where we are subtracting 3 upon 2 minus 1 upon 8. The first step for subtracting fraction is to find the common denominator of the two fractions. As we do in addition of fractions, the same method we do in subtraction of fractions to find the common denominator. So we have two denominators as 2 and 8, and we are going to use the prime factorization method to find the common multiple or common denominator. So 2 and 8 both are even numbers. We can fully divide both the numbers by the first prime number 2. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 4 is 8. Again we are going to use 2 to divide the number. This is fully divided, so we'll write 1. 2 times 2 is 4. Again we are going to use 2. So now both the numbers are fully divided, and the LCM or the least common denominator, LCM or LCD, is 2 times 2 times 2, which is equal to 8. Now 8 will be the common denominator for both the numbers. Our denominator is 8 and 2 times 4 is 8. So we are going to multiply the numerator 2 by 4. Here our denominator is same, 8 and 8. So the numerator will be the same, which is 1. So 3 times 4 is 12 upon 8 minus 1 upon 8. Or we can write the two numbers as the denominator is common, we can write it as a single denominator, and the numerator will be 12 minus 1. So this is going to be 11 upon 8. So our final answer will be 11 upon 8. So this is how we subtract two fractions. First we make the denominators of the two fractions common. Then we simplify and subtract the two fractions. Let's move on to our second example. Here we are subtracting 8 upon 5 minus 2 upon 15. Here too the denominators are not same. So we are going to first find the common denominator using the prime factorization method. So the two numbers are 5 and 15. 5 and 15 both are divisible by 5. So 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 3 is 15. 3 is a prime number, so 3 times 1 is 3. So our LCM or the least common denominator is 5 times 3, which is equal to 15. So now we got our common denominator. We are going to make the denominators of both these fractions equal to 15. So from 5 we have now 15. So 5 times 3 is 15. So we are going to multiply the numerator 2 by 3 minus. Here the denominator is not changed, so the numerator will be the same, which is 2. 8 times 3 is 24 upon 15 minus 2 upon 15. So our common denominator is 15 and numerator will be 24 minus 2, which is equal to 22 upon 15. So our final answer is 22 upon 15. So this is how we subtract fractions. Let's take a recap of the method. The first step is to find the common denominator for both the fractions. After finding the common denominator of the two fractions, we make the denominators of the two fractions common and then simplify and subtract the two fractions. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more.